Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. Today, we're going to supercharge your vocabulary by replacing very plus a word with a single, powerful word. Instead of repeating very all the time, you'll learn 30 new words that make you sound fluent and confident. Let's dive in. 1. Very tired becomes exhausted. Imagine you've worked all day and then walked home in the rain. You wouldn't just say, "I'm very tired." You'd say, "I'm exhausted." 2. Very hungry becomes starving. Think of skipping breakfast and lunch. By dinner you don't just feel hungry, you're starving. 3. Very dirty becomes filthy. After a football match in the mud, those clothes aren't just dirty. They're filthy. 4. Very angry becomes furious. If someone scratches your brand new car, you don't just feel angry. You feel furious. 5. Very afraid becomes terrified. Picture yourself alone in the dark when you hear footsteps behind you. You're not just afraid, you're terrified. 6. Very funny becomes hilarious. That comedy show that made you laugh until your stomach hurt. It wasn't just funny, it was hilarious. Now for the next set. 7. Very sad becomes heartbroken. When someone you love leaves, you don't just feel sad, you feel heartbroken. 8. Very cold becomes freezing. On a winter morning without a coat, you wouldn't say, "I'm very cold." You'd shiver and say, "I'm freezing." 9. Very hot becomes scorching. Walking barefoot on the sand in summer. That sand isn't just hot, it's scorching. 10. Very big becomes enormous. A blue whale isn't just big, it's enormous. 11. Very small becomes tiny or minuscule. A grain of sand is not just small, it's tiny, even minuscule. 12. Very smart becomes brilliant. The student who solves a problem nobody else can. He isn't just smart, he's brilliant. Let's keep going. 13. Very beautiful becomes gorgeous. Think of a sunset over the ocean. That's not just beautiful, it's gorgeous. 14. Very ugly becomes hideous. A monster in a horror movie isn't just ugly, it's hideous. 15. Very important becomes crucial. Wearing a helmet while cycling isn't just important, it's crucial. 16. Very fast becomes rapid. The cheetah doesn't just run fast, it runs at a rapid speed. 17. Very slow becomes sluggish. After eating too much, you don't just move slowly, you feel sluggish. 18. Very good becomes excellent. When your essay gets top marks, it's not just good, it's excellent. Time for the fourth group. 19. Very bad becomes dreadful. A storm that ruins your holiday isn't just bad, it's dreadful. 20. Very easy becomes effortless. When a dancer makes a hard move look simple, it doesn't look easy, it looks effortless. 21. Very difficult becomes challenging. Climbing a mountain isn't just difficult, it's challenging, even demanding. 22. Very loud becomes deafening. Standing near the speakers at a rock concert, the sound isn't just loud, it's deafening. 23. Very quiet becomes silent. A library late at night isn't just quiet, it's completely silent. 24. Very clean becomes spotless. A hotel room that shines from corner to corner isn't just clean, it's spotless. And now the final 6. 25. Very bright becomes dazzling. When the sunlight reflects on fresh snow, it isn't just bright, it's dazzling. 26. Very dark becomes pitch black. In a cave with no light, you can't see your hand, it's pitch black. 27. Very rich becomes wealthy. A man who owns several companies isn't just rich, he's wealthy or affluent. 28. Very poor becomes destitute. Someone without food, money, or shelter isn't just poor, they are destitute. 29. Very neat becomes immaculate. A room where every book, every pencil, and every paper is in place, that's immaculate. 30. Very weak becomes feeble. After a long illness, if you can barely lift your arms, you don't just feel weak, you feel feeble. And that's our list of 30 powerful words. Notice how each one paints a stronger picture in the listener's mind. Next time you're about to say, very, pause for a moment and ask yourself, is there a better, sharper word I can use? The answer is almost always yes. Thank you for listening. and keep practicing these words in your daily conversations. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. Subscribe Easy English with AI.